Okay, good evening all. Today I teach how to do the question 1 of the supplementary exercise about the special lines of triangles. First of all, we have this question. Given that AB equals AC, so why don't we draw the symbol here? They are equal. And then an AD is an altitude. For altitude, use the green ones. That means the angle ABD and the angle ABC are equal. So we have these informations. So now, how can you prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD? So obviously, the red one, we know that AB equals AC given. Okay, this is the first reason. Next one, we will have the angle ADB, which is equal to 90 degrees, and which is equal to angle ADC, given because this is called altitude. Someone will say this is called altitude. They are both correct, okay? Someone will say something like this. The last one, the most important one, we have these two. And the last one, we will use the common side, that is AD equals AD. Equals AD. This is called common side. Please pay attention. We use side here, not only just common. Next step, we're going to use the triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. What's that? Right angle, hypotenuse, and the last side, that is RHS. Okay, the R stands for right angle. H stands for hypotenuse. That means the longest side in the triangle. And also the last one is called sine. Okay, we have RHS. So first of all, we prove the triangles are congruent. So what can we do? After we prove that they are congruent, then we can do many different kinds of questions. Okay, now with part A first, we have the triangle AD is an angle bisector. But before, because we know that these two triangles are congruent. So that means we know that all the other reasons, for example, the other angles and all the other sides, they are all equal. So first of all, because the triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, we can write something. But which reason we are going to choose? First of all, AD is the angle bisector of BAC. That means we are going to show that this angle must be equal to this angle for this part. Okay, but how can we write it down? Because they are congruent, so we will choose these two. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. That is the corresponding angles, congruent triangles. Because they're congruent, these two must be equal. So we can write down BAD equals CAD. That means both of them are equal. That means that AD bisects the angle. So AD is an angle bisector of angle BAC. So this is the next part of the question. So what is next? The next one, we are going to prove that the median and also the last one is the perpendicular bisector. So let me stop 30 seconds. So you must know how to do this part first. Okay, now we will do part C. That is, I will prove that AD is a median of triangle ABC. Okay, now how can we prove this? First of all, we know that once again, the triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Next one, which reason we are going to choose? For AD is a median, that means we will bisect BD and also bisect the DC. That means we are going to find something that they are equal. So, do we know that BD is equal to DC? The answer is yes, because they're congruent, so that means these two sides are equal. BD equals CD. The reason is corresponding sides, congruent triangles. We can prove this. So, we can write down AD is a median of triangle ABC. Okay, now once again, I will stop 30 minutes for you to understand what I'm talking about. Okay, last but not least, we are going to prove that AD is a perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, if I want to prove that this is perpendicular bisector, that means we know that they get 90 degrees with each other, and also these two lines BD must equal to DC. But we know that for the past proof, we know all these are correct. So let me write down first, because angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. We know that by given or this one is the altitude. Next one, we know that because triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, so we know that BD equals CD. That is corresponding sides, congruent triangles, because these two lines are equal. We have 90 degrees, the first reason, with the BD equals CD with the second reason. So we can write that AD is a perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, once again, I'll give you 30 minutes for you to understand what I'm writing down. So, I hope for this video, you know what is the difference between the altitude, the angle bisector, the median, and also the perpendicular bisector, and know how to prove them. Okay, I hope this video can help you. Thank you.